Do you want to know what's one of the biggest problems in people's mind is? A lot of people think that in order for me to get in shape, I need a gym or some kind of fancy equipment. And some of you may actually want to go to the gym, but just can't due to either distance, finances, or even fear of judgment. My first 2 years of working out, I didn't have a gym. Really, all I had was two 15-pound dumbbells. Not saying that you need that in order to get in shape, but that's all I had when I started. Even though I really didn't have anything, I knew there was still no excuse. So for those 2 years, I trained every single day. Really no equipment, barely nothing. Just my body weight and two dumbbells. But I'm gonna be giving you guys some simple at-home bodyweight exercises with no equipment or even equipment you can just find in your room. These exercises will target almost every single muscle group on your body. Almost, but still good enough to help you get that anime character kind of look. First, we got chest and triceps. My chest is probably one of the best features out of my whole physique. And believe it or not, I prioritize push-ups more than any other chest exercise in order to grow it. Things like regular push-ups to target your full chest, decline push-ups to target your upper chest, and incline to target your lower chest. And whenever these get too easy, like you're able to do way too many reps, you can always add weight. Just grab a backpack, add some heavy things in there such as some books or whatever else you can think of. To properly do archer push-ups, you're gonna wanna get into a wide push-up position. Your hands a bit past shoulder width, and just lean and alternate to each side. With diamond push-ups, a lot of people will tell you to make a diamond-like shape with your hand. Although it looks more like a triangle more than a diamond, but it's whatever. But I'm going to tell you right now, that is terribly wrong. Putting your hands that close and pushing off can be very straining to your wrist and elbow joints. Instead, I advise you to have your hands a bit apart from each other. This way, it feels less painful in your joints, and you'll feel it more in your triceps. And for the last push exercise will be for your shoulders, which are pike push-ups. They aren't the best for shoulder growth, but they are still very effective. And the way to do them is pretty simple. Just get in a push-up position and walk up as close as you can to your hands until your cheeks are tooted in the air like you're giving it up for free. Then just lean forward and push off. Simple. Back and biceps. Now when it comes to these two muscle groups, it can be very difficult to target them with no equipment. Your back needs some kind of vertical and horizontal pull. And if you're serious about growing your back, I recommend that you get a nice pull-up bar from Amazon. It doesn't have to be high priced, but good enough to where it won't break on the wall. If you don't have or can't obtain that, then a staircase works wonders as well. For your biceps, if you have no dumbbells, then that's okay. Just grab a backpack because everyone should have one of these. Grab some things like some books or any random heavy equipment you can use and just start hitting bicep curls with that. For your core, I recommend crunches, Russian twists, and of course, cardio if you really want to obtain that slim look. For your legs, doing things like squats, Bulgarian split squats, and calf raises will do. And of course, once that gets too easy, you can always add weight. Now, these workouts won't take you from an easy draw stick figure to a bodybuilder, but they're a good start. Like I said, for my first 2 years, all I had was this, but it ended up helping me look like this. I didn't end up looking how I do now until I started going to the gym. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video really helped you. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below, or any personal ones, you can directly DM me on Instagram. It's a safe spot.